Hello friend, welcome to InfoSphere YouTube channel. This video detailing about how to balance speed and quality customer service. So let's start my video. How to balance speed and quality customer service. Table of content. What customer expect from your service quality and speed. Common roadblocks to delivery high quality customer service. How to provide high quality customer service fast. Be an example of high quality customer service. It's not enough to resolve customer service issues quickly anymore. Business need to meet their customer with the personalized service they accustomed to from brand across industries and channels. Like how to barista at your neighborhood coffee shop ask you the usual when you walk in the door. But departmental silos, limited understanding of the value of social customer care, and clunky tech stacks hinder business from delivery quality. Customer service leaders who don't invest in solving some of these issues will be leaving money on the table and putting their customer loyalty up for grabs. In this article, you read how AI and automations technologies are transforming the landscapes of social customer care, and how brands like your care can take advantage of them to build memorable brand experience and maintain customer loyalty. What customers expect from your service quality and speed. In a world where social DMs have become from and texting on their own right, brands replying quickly to customers in table stakes. This makes speed a critical performance metrics in social media customer care. As modern customer expectations shift meditate towards immediately to accessibility, so have the number of customers who turn to social media for promotes responses and solution. According to our 2024 social media content strategy report, customer across generations Gen Z, millennials, Gen X and baby boomers are using social media for customer care. Top social media channel for customer care. It makes sense that then that one of the way brands can amp up customer care quickly and effectively is to make social customer care an integral part of their overall customer service. Yet customers want more than just a fast response. The 2023 Sprout Social Index found that even though 69% of customers wanted brands to respond within 24 hours and 16% within minutes, 63% of customers said their brand loyalty hangs on the quality of customer service they receive on social media. As social platform become the preferred channel for inquiries and complaints, brand need to keep up with the speed of social and provide swift, effective solution. Especially critical today when social customer are the such as huge impact on the entire service experience, influencing customer satisfaction, loyalty, and brand reputations. Luxity technology is here to help. AI and automation tools are enabling brands to meet consumer expectation without using a beat like never before, and consumer are welcome the move. According to a Sprout Q1 2024 Pulse survey of 2000 consumers across the US and UK, 75% say they're comfortable with brands using AI and automated technology to deliver faster customer service on social. And with social becoming a key place of customer of to sound of care teams deserve all the support they need to scale and meet customer high expectations. Read more about how top brands provide exceptional customer service and support. Common roadblocks to delivery high quality customer service. Thought 88% of customers leadership agree social media is a critical tool in providing customer care and service. Several roadblocks prevent the teams from accessing the tools and resources they need. Here are how social media marketers and care teams describe their greatest challenges to delivery exceptional customer care and experiences. Too many messages, too much manual work. According to a Q3 2023 Sprout Pulse surveys, 23% of customer care professionals said a high volume of customers care requests is their most permanent obstacles. As one member of the Operatum Sprout online community for social professional put it, the most significant challenge if faced when managing customer care on social media is expectation to be available to answer questions 24/7. Meeting customer high expectations is customer all brands are struggling with customer care tools can the pursue of by automating value or respective task and managing cases based on priority so care agents can act more effectively yet only 30% of marketers feels their brands actively engage with customer on social and has implement customer service tool and process and 71% of business leaders agree that brands don't have a strong social media strategy for customer service. Departmental and technological silos. Per the index and social customer care is the shared function between marketing and customer service team in 2024, but shared ownership means remaining your team entire approach to collaboration. From your tech stack to your internal workflows, brand needs to pursue tech test each stage of the social customer care process to find out where silos are slowing service down and where there's too much strain on one team. For example, social teams are often to inquires equipped to handle complex customer service needs, but they often asked to do no so anyway. As one member of the attribute described, a social media manager doesn't have the resources to resolve every customer complaint. Customer use social with us use social more and more for issues resolution, but there are solid wall between customer care user which uses traditional communication channel and social media engagement. Other agreed that collaborations between teams at their origin is luster. Our team's ability to provide quick and effective customer care is due to the lack of timely interdepartmental communication. Say one social marketers lack one train and education. Social customer care is a relatively new domain with most teams struggling to keep up with best practices. These gaps are often the product of social customer care being thought of as a salary duty rather than a business-wide priority. As one member posted Abertam, there is a lack of recognition that social media count as customer service and care engaging with customer and your audience thought comments and DMs doesn't get the same respect or regard that dealing with customers thought email, phone or in-person channel often does. Brand must ensure their care agents get the social media customer service training they need. This will help them better understand the nuances of providing care on social and delivery brand friendly customer service across key social network. In fact, our Q3 2023 Sprout Pulse surveys found that 35% of business plan to hire additional agents and host additions training to improve the quality of customer interactions on social going forward. While social customer service teams understand that social customer care is key to resolving issues on channel where customer providing often honest and every public feedback education key stakeholder and senior leadership is also necessary to help them see its impact. Not having the right tools, the lack of investment in customer care processes and tools to actively engage on social is a major hurdle to developing too sophisticated strategy. This joint tech stack and disparate communication channel can make social customer care cumbersome and efficient. The Q3 2023 Sprout Pulse surveys revealed many organizations most prominent challenges stem from technology breakdowns. 48% of left with manual tasks that take up a significant time. 41% have gaps in available customer care intel for agents for to reference when handling requests, and 26% cite a lack of technological resources. An Albertum member described how not having the right tools embeds quality customer appreciate personalized responses that address their specific concern. However, doing this effectively on social media, where a conversation can be disjoint and context be the broach, can be difficult. According to the index, 50% of marketers plan to implement advanced social media management software to streamline workflow efficiency. This suggests leaders are aware that technological investments are crucial to crafting a cohesive customer experience, with social becoming the central hub for social customer care function, not just for posting and reporting but for direct customer engagement. Brands must invest in social media customer service tools. How to provide high quality customer service fast? What is take a delivery memorable positive customer experience? The changing they are. Use AI and automation for support. Per the Sprout Social Index, 81% of marketers say AI positively impact their work. Cities benefits like more time for creativity, 78%, and increase efficiency, 73%. Another 47% plan to use AI to handle basic customer inquiries in 2024 and beyond. Thoughtfully using AI for customer service can help brand relocate care teams time so they can handle tasks more efficiency. Plus, AI can help improve direct response and meet audience with more authenticity and human connection. For example, our enhance by assist capability help customer service agents enhance to the tone of their responses to match the customers. AI and automations also the customer care workflows Sprout case and assist cases via the specific plan in the primary navigations menu. In addition to our case management solution, Sprout also has a smart inbox where all incoming messages from across social channel are visible and single messages. And Sprout has rules-based chatbot to help extract agents are available. Personalize the experience. Consumers don't want to thought of as one of 1,000 or million of people who receive the same canned response as they being a VIP who deserve an experience. This example of an agent responding to a customer via the smart inbox. Similarly, brands can also ask Salesforce internal AI assistance Agentforce to surface data from planning conversations. Use social data to understand what your customer care about. The best customer care is proactive and proactive. Understanding what your customer care about the common issue they having, however feel about brand, feel the shape and strategy product development. Be an example of high quality customer service. As the volume of messages and mention you receive on social rises, so too will customer expectations of your business. To stand out from the competition, invest in the right training process and tools to provide quality customer care and propel your business forward. Audit the tools and process your organizations currently uses, the find gaps and redundancies, build the case for shared ownership of customer care and access to social data, and identify the new skills your team need to lead a robust social care strategy. dive into this 2024 interactive guide on modern customer service to see the untapped potential of social of customer care and how you can benefit from it. सो गाइस आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही, मैं मिलता हूँ आपको वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय.